my name is Shady. I'm a cleaner at Sky City on day shift.
We like it here because there's a whole mixture of culture here.
We have 14 to 15 staff daily. When they're trained well, our jobs are to keep the area clean for our customers. And so when they come and visit Sky City, with that we can be proud of what we do.
We have a broad range of, in the age group of people that work for us. We have a lot of students that work for us, some that's been with us for a very long time, that's put themselves through uni.
We are working like 4 people, everywhere is messy, people just drop the stuff wherever they sit. So normally we are starting from the sitting area. After that we are jumping to rubbish bin, and after that inside the toilets.
I love this job because one, it gives me a flexibility. The hours I can pick and choose what I want to work.
The work-life balance is attractive to me. I could split my shifts up where I'd work in the morning, come back home for a few hours and stay home with the kids while the husband's still at work. When he got home, I would venture out at night.
I really like day shift because I have the rest of the afternoon off and I can spend time with my grandpa.
My wife, she is a healthcare assistant, so she works during the night. So that's why we both are working in nights. We get time to spend with each other.
We have people from all ethnicities, all races, people that don't speak English, and it's no barrier for us. Because some of our most valued cleaners are people that don't speak much English. We put people through basic literacy and numeracy course. We also do an NCA accredited career force supervision and caretaker training. And through these stages, people get a pay rise in each level that they graduate from. So many opportunities in the cleaning industry to grow, and the wages grow with that.
What I like about the job is everything.
Minimum wage to start, but honestly, grow with the companies that you're with in this industry, and it's rewarding.
I love this job.
Commercial cleaning is a growing industry. Apply now if you think it's the job for you. For starters, you'll need a Ministry of Justice police check, a tidy appearance, be able to work irregular hours, be fit enough to meet the requirements of the job, be able to work in difficult and demanding environments from time to time, be a good communicator and be able to work as directed, have good attention to detail, be reliable and observe confidentiality in some situations, and a driver's license is preferred.